my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video of opening a Poopsie. So, yeah. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment. So, yeah, let's just get started on opening the Poopsie. So, there's 10 magic surprises. It says, it says right here. And it's, so, yeah, let's open this. Oh, got it. Okay. It's kind of hard. Oh, wait. I'm getting it. Okay. Whoa. No, it says it's right there. No, it's right here. Oh. Is that it? So. Okay. So let's open it. So first we got unicorn food. Unicorn food. I ripped it off. Next we got some unicorn magic, and then what is this?
I think that's just...
I guess a surprise scent?
Yeah, surprise.
Because...
Oh, yeah, surprise.
It says... I keep ripping these off. Next is magic spoon. And let's open this up. Let's see who you got. Let's see who's the good first. Oh, oopsie.
Maybe show them from the other side.
Okay, let's just open it from this side. And I'll be back when I open it. It's hard. Okay, guys, I'm back. I figured it out. We had to twist it. Whoa. So there's... It feels like a cup, so I'm guessing the cup. This is a... Oh no. We'll open them and see. Oh! Wait, I think this is a unicorn. And then the instructions.
Open the big ones first that were in there.
No.
Yeah. Open. No, yeah.
Okay. So
Open
I'm
the
gonna open the magic spoon. Magic spoon.
Open the big ones.
I actually like the wrapping. It's really nice. As you guys can see. There, now it's focusing. Okay. Scissors. Okay, I got some scissors. Ow. Okay. Let's get it out. Sorry about that. That was just my sister. Oh, this is so cute. It's up here. Has a unicorn at the top, and then this is... Okay. So, yeah, let's open up the... Not the unicorn magic, because it's powder. Okay, I'm opening the unicorn.
I think that's unicorn.
Oh, it's so cute!
Show them.
It's a pizza! It's so cute. It's a keychain. So at the bottom it opens.
I'll continue.
It's a
Container.
Oh, and it even has a little straw at the top. So it's a container for I don't know what. We'll find out. So, okay. Unicorn food. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I think this is the.
Oh, it's the scent.
Oh yeah, this is a scent.
I'm measuring.
Oh my gosh, it's like not focusing.
Look at all.
Oh, there we go. That's really good. It has a horn as a cap. So. And then it has a little cup. Green cup.
Are you missing stuff? Look, all this stuff is already.
Okay.
Wait, no.
Sorry about that, guys.
Wait,
I
I'll
got
check.
a
I'll
lid
check.
from count of 10.
Do you have the...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, guys. Oh my gosh, my sister's making me laugh. Okay. Sorry about the noise, guys, but I don't know what that was. So, yeah. Okay.
Ew.
Guys, I'm sorry. That was my mom. Ah!
Do you have unicorn surprise scent? Yeah, this is surprise scent. Jambel, no holla.
Guys, sorry about that with my sister, but okay. We're gonna follow the Wait. We have this. I found the one I got. Oh. These are all so cute. Okay. So here's mine. Right here. So, yeah. Now let's follow the instructions and see what we're gonna make. Wait, where are the instructions? Okay. Found the instructions. So we're gonna just hold on, let me guys. Wait. Sorry guys, I just had to move you guys because so you guys could see better. So I can't stand how cute this is. Okay. First step. Remove the lid from the Okay, next one. Fill the measuring cup to fill line mark. Okay, so we're gonna fill up the cup to the line mark with this. Okay. Sorry guys, but that was just something, my candy. So, okay. So, now we're going to be doing this. We're going to pour this into the measuring cup.
Do you guys like these?
Yeah, do you guys like these? Comment down below if you like these. They're so good. They're so good.
That's
And then
what.
also there's a big giant kind.
Can I get this open?
So,
I'm gonna be doing
they're
this to
so
some of my
good. Comment down
friends
below if you like
tomorrow
them.
for Christmas. So I'm gonna count how much I have.
Oh my gosh. I need to see it.
Okay. To see if I have enough for everyone. It's a mini case. Look at this. That's 4.
Okay. I
8.
cannot get this open.
I have 16.
So I'll be right back when I get this opened. So I'll be right back.
Bro.
Okay guys, so I opened this finally. Well, my mom did because I needed help. So I'm gonna fill it up to the line.
The top line.
It's so hard.
Pause it. Did it say that?
Yes, right here.
Okay. Open to.
Oh, this smells so good.
What's mine?
It smells like apples.
Pause the video. Guys, we're gonna pause the video so she can finish.
That was my sister. So guys, we totally messed up. It was supposed to be water. So I'm gonna go fill it up right now. So guys, I got the water in. So the next step is tear open the unicorn food packet and pour the powder into the bottle. Wait, what bottle? Oh, okay. Unicorn magic? Okay. Into the bottle. So I'm gonna pour the unicorn magic into the bottle.
Whoa, Rita! Whoa!
Okay. I'm gonna cut this open. Whoa, it's glittery. Guys, it's so pretty! It's so pretty. So I'm gonna put it in. You're my baby. He's smiling. Okay. I'm in a good mood. Okay. Wait. So this is how it looks. Wow. Let me see. It's really glittery. Guys, my sister's behind me, just if you guys are wondering who that is. So, open the lid and use the unicorn spoon to remove this.
This is a cow. Moo.
Ah! Tightly replace the lid on the bottom. Then hold the lid. Shake the bottle up. 1 minute. So 1 minute. That's all. So 1 minute, I'm gonna put a timer. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I set it up, so let's shake the bottle.
Cat.
So guys, I'll be right back when I'm done shaking the bottle. Okay guys, so the timer beeped, and then number 5 it says, open the lid and use the unicorn spoon to remove the slime from the bottle. Guys, it's still powder.
All I'm doing is just like this. I open the decorator and go.
Was I supposed to put this?
He's so cute. He's so
Okay, guys. So guys, I missed a plan. I'm supposed to use a unicorn food. Sorry guys, I keep messing up. It's because like it's not showing like what packet. So I mean, so the unicorn food. So I got the unicorn food. So guys, I'm gonna go put the timer to 1 minute, and so guys, I'm back. I already started the timer, so I'm already shaking it because I started it and I don't want to mess up again because then I keep messing up again and 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 again.
Woof, 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 woof. Quack, 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 quack. Wait. Quack, 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 quack. Nope. Quack, 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 quack.
I'll be right back when it's done. So guys, I'm done. It beeped, so I don't know if it's gonna be swine.
Quack, 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 quack. Oh. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
And it says gently remove. So open the lid and use the unicorn spoon to remove the slime from the bottle. Or unless I need more water?
Oh, can someone? I like to get that.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try one more time and see if it works this time. So let's do it. I'm gonna go put the timer and wait, and I'll be right back when it's done. Okay guys, so now I don't want it to spill everywhere. So, ew, the lid, it feels gross. So now it says I have to take the spoon and take it out. I'm gonna let it in here. I'm putting it in here. Ew, it's all liquidy.
Because that's what hard it looks
Ew.
like.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it in a cup. The cup, green cup. So I'll let you guys see.
Dinosaur a little bit later.
I'm gonna give one to Miss G, and then the teacher that I hugged when we went to go get Emily. Because she liked my baby teacher. A little bit
So we're gonna let that sit a little bit.
I'll look at the camera.
Oh, we're supposed to leave it in here.
The timer started already. The timer's going.
I know. You just told me. Taking off the rest.
Oh wait, I dare you to open it.
I'm putting my stocking. What do you mean?
That's gonna melt.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the ketchup.
Where's the baby?
Where?
Okay, so I put it in here now. I'm gonna put on the lid. Did you put 10 minutes?
It's already going.
Okay. So I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna wait till it sits for 10 minutes.
Sí.
So yeah.
¿Y para la escuela mañana los vas a traer? Porque van a comprar ropa los dos para cambiarse.
They're backpacks.
¿Qué? Okay, pues thank you.
So I'll be right back when it's done. It beep. So next step is open the lid and use the unicorn spoon to remove the slime from the bottle. So this looks like
You don't think my back hurts? You don't think I'm tired from working all day?
okay. So I got out the slime.
If you ever make a face at me again when I ask you to help me with something,
Ew, it feels so weird.
I promise you I'll stop your face.
And then next it says, tear open the unicorn magic packet. Hold the slime palm in the palm of one hand and use your... Oh my gosh. It smells like pineapple. So good. So the unicorn magic. Pour the whole packet in. Which I had it on here because of time that I messed up. So. Now this, I can tell it's gonna get messy. Oh my gosh, little psycho, and now she's screaming, mama, mama.
Okay, you're gonna, I need a fish for work, baby. So I have
Look.
Hey, try to see my candy. I have 10. So I'm missing 6.
Forgot on the table. Okay. Okay. So it's glittery, obviously. Metallic. Next step is fold the slime in half and continue folding and pulling the slime until all the powder is thoroughly blended into the slime. Your slime will change to a surprise color tip. Mix in.
¿Dónde?
I already mixed in the scent. It smells like pineapples. Okay. And then number 9. Oh wait, number 8. It says open the keychain.
Then the little plant que está arriba where my tires are. Well, it's because everyone was holding him because I was trying to wash dishes and I'm taking out trashes and I'm trying to clean, but the baby que no está nomás abrazado. And if I just sit down with them, I'm not going to get shit done and no one else is going to do shit right. So
Okay.
I had Evelyn helping me with him, but yeah,
Here it is.
Try to feed him. I bet if he goes back to sleep because I still have laundry and other stuff to do. And it's already.
It's not that stretchy.
Yeah, babe. I still have to shower
And then-
también, and me quiero acostar a dormir. I'm freaking tired today.
So then put it in the keychain.
Mira, allá, papá.
Okay, guys. So this is a slime.
Wait.
And yeah, I don't really like it. So
Leave it.
it's not that stretchy and it's not that pokeable. But then it says to put it in a keychain. So I want to show you like my hands. Look at my hands. Both of my hands are like this. Okay.
Leave it.
So, gonna open the keychain and we're gonna put the slime in there.
I know I have to make put them in. It's daddy's, but
You can use this.
Mommy, I have them all in here. This is mine.
Go ahead. You can't be telling anyone or whispering it to anyone or I'm
It's
just
like-
gonna tell. I got Emily, so I'm just gonna tell Lisa that I got Emily. You don't tell me no.
Okay. So, finally got it open. The lid fell. So I think I'm gonna keep working with the slime a little bit. Or I'll just put it in. So I'm gonna put it in a container.
And if you get it yourself, then put it back in there.
So, now it's time to end this video. So, make sure you please give a big thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the description. So, yeah, bye.